Ding, ding, ding. Gather round for what might possibly be the last time. You know, my personal life has been put in shambles thanks to YouTubers, thanks to envious and jealous people, thanks to people who do not want to see you succeed. I've tried to do my best to help many people and do what was right in many regards. Maybe I wasn't always right, maybe I wasn't always perfect, but I don't know about you. I'm sure you have families. Some of you have children. Money is a good thing. It solves all the problems that not money having money causes. And it helps you to go through many, many things and help other people in life. There have been times in my life where I've had vast amounts of money and times in my life where I had nothing and had to struggle. And I always said this channel is our channel, by the people, for the people. And it's just gone too far. It's gone too far. And it's turned into criminal action. And, well, gather around. It's show and tell time. More of the truth. Before I share this with you, I want to say thank you to everyone. It's really been an incredible ride. I love all my subscribers. In a short period of time, we became the biggest in the space. And we're unstoppable. And Team Us will live on without me. You all know the core principles. I've tried to teach you a lot, and I was about to teach you so much more. But, my little boy and my personal life has to come first. So I'm going to scroll through this very slowly so you can read it. There's someone in a chat group. It's a shame who it is, but she's tried to destroy me. She's trying to destroy my little boy. I'm not going to let this happen. So I'm going to walk away victorious. So this is an urgent motion filed to the court for an injunction against the mother and psychiatric evaluation. It's true. So Crypto Plumber, Noof, all you haters, congratulations. But fuck you. I put my little boy and my family before you, before money, before YouTube, before your fucking Tesla, before anything. So we're going to go ahead and you're going to do show and tell. I want you to read this. Maybe I'll read a little to you. Mother has a history. This is public information, so none of this is conjecture. History of domestic violence and mental instability. When the mother and father were living together in New York, the mother was physically abusive to the father. In one instance, the mother went after the father with a pair of scissors. See Exhibit A. Yes, everything is documented. In 2015, after returning from a visit with the mother, minor child... Oh, and who's the mother? There's the name right there. Also goes by several different names. Now has a YouTube channel to further disgrace me and actually commit acts of criminal mischief, which are being investigated right now. 2015, after returning from a visit with the mother, a minor child was found to have a human bite mark on his left forearm. Father believes the mother inflicted the bite mark and contends that the minor child often receives injury when is in the mother's care. See Exhibit A. Furthermore, due to the mother's violent outbursts, mother's previous child was removed from her custody and placed into the custody of the other father. Mother, Yaditza Lopez, was also arrested for domestic violence against the father of her previous child. If you search Miami-Dade court records, you'll find out she was arrested for biting that man. In addition, mother attempted to alienate the father of her previous child from his child by moving to New York City without that father's consent. She lost unsupervised time sharing as a result. Mother's history of alienation is very concerning to the father, me. as he feels the mother is practicing the same behavior with his son by asking the father to be barred from time sharing. My little boy and I have an incredible bond, and I'm making this video in case she tries to further hurt me by touching the one thing I love the most, my little boy. So this serves as public notice that if that child has an accident, is hurt in any way, we know who will be to blame. When the parties moved to Florida, they began therapy sessions. During the session, the mother was physically attacked, or the mother physically attacked the father. The mother was Baker acted. When the father informed her they were no longer going to be together, yes, she was institutionalized for a short period of time at Larkin Mental Institution. Moreover, when the parties attempted to enroll in couples therapy, they were prevented from doing so because the mother's intake test showed that she had borderline personality disorder. However, despite being turned away for couples therapy, the father attended and continues to attend individual therapy at the same clinic. Yes, for my little boy. During the mother's time-sharing period, she leaves the minor child with various people while she is not there and refuses to tell the father where and with whom the child is being left with, despite the father's numerous requests for such information. On March 1st, 2018, mother filed an urgent motion to suspend all the father's time-sharing. In her motion, mother falsely accuses father of being involved in cryptocurrency startup business that has scammed people out of millions of dollars. Father is a YouTube personality with his own channel on the site, which he uses to discuss different cryptocurrencies. Father has developed a large following in this sector. Yeah, we were the biggest. And has many competitors as a result. Mother used this to her advantage by divulging the father's personal information to these competitors in an attempt to ruin his career and cause him bodily harm. Father has lost significant money due to mother's conduct, money that could have been used to support the child. Coincidentally, days after the mother filed her motion, a YouTuber divulged the father's private information on a YouTube chat with other YouTubers that are not fans of the father. Specifically, the YouTuber divulged the father's private telephone number, father's private home address. Evidence shows this YouTuber was actually the mother, who concealed her identity by using several aliases such as Crypto and Backdoor Ghost Worm. As you can see, the mobile number linked to Crypto is the mother's phone number. Mother has a history of using burner phones, which are prepaid, used to avoid leaving a trail. Father believes she used a burner phone to set up Backdoor Ghost Worm, as that person knows information only she would know. See Exhibit B attached. In addition, the mother, using her alias Backdoor Ghost Worm, antagonized the other members in the chat room and persuaded them to call the FBI and Miami Police Department in order to get the father arrested and begin an investigation. See attached Exhibit C. The father was never arrested. The father's never done anything wrong to anyone. It's important to note that the only people who know where the father lives are his landlord, the father's counsel, father's time-sharing supervisor, and mother. In fact, father does not even receive mail at his home address. The apartment is not under his name, and neither are the utilities. This was done intentionally by the father in order to protect his privacy and his child, which many YouTube personalities do. After the mother posted all the father's private information using her alias, one commenter named the mother by her first name, Yadixa, and asked her additional personal questions about the father. See Exhibit D. Mother willfully and purposefully divulged the father's private information on YouTube, knowing that her own son, spends time with the father. Mother did this as an attempt to try to keep the father from having time sharing with the son, so she can claim people are trying to hurt him. Although the father is not currently in danger, Mother seems to believe that he is, and still knowingly put her own son at risk by divulging the father's private information, which up until now was not known to anyone in the YouTube community. Mother also posted in the YouTube chat different locations where she alleges the father frequently visits in hopes that the YouTubers would go after him. See Exhibit E. Mother's decision to divulge the father's private information and places where he frequently visits is very concerning, because it not only affects the father, but also affects the party's son, who's 3.5 years old. It is shocking that the mother would try to go as far as to willfully divulge to thousands of YouTubers the address where her own son stays with the father. Mother claims her son is in danger because of the father's involvement in social media, but then purposefully lets those people know where to find her son. This is cause for concern as to the mother's mental state. In addition to divulging father's private information, Mother also submitted an old, sexually explicit photograph of the father taken by her while he was in the privacy of his home. Mother took the photo of the father while they were together and now released it to the public. This was posted in an effort to damage the father's credibility and destroy his business. Mother's actions likely fall under Florida's criminal sexual cyber harassment statute under Statute 784.049. See attached Exhibit F. Mother also posted an old video of father at his previous job to discredit him as a person knowledgeable in cryptocurrency. See attached Exhibit G. Right before father's counsel was going to file this motion, father informed her that the mother had posted a video again through her alias on YouTube known as Crypto, divulging an illegally recorded audio of the father and mother's telephone conversation several years ago. Father was unaware that he was being recorded, and therefore the recording and publishing of the recording is a criminal offense under Florida law. Moreover, while the recording is playing, the visual portion of the video shows the docket of the party's family law case, and Mother is scrolling through the docket showing the public the list of documents that have been filed in this case. See Mother's video under Crypto. There's the address. And see attached Exhibit H. Mother is the only person in possession of these recordings. Remember, they were from several years ago. In addition, and possibly the most concerning aspect, is that YouTubers now know the name of the party's son and have posted the child's name in public chats. Fucking disgusting. Mother is aware that the most important thing to the father is his son, and father is generally concerned the mother will do something to hurt their son because she knows that it is the one thing that will hurt the father most. Mother has been divulging information to individuals involved in the father's bankruptcy case since 2016. This shows an unfortunate vindictive pattern of behavior on the mother's part. The mother's reckless and careless decisions regarding the care of her child, combined with her history of violence and reckless attacks on the father, raise concerns about her mental health and stability. Mother's recent decisions to divulge the father's personal contact information and sexually explicit photo are inexcusable and unacceptable. As we are all aware, once something is posted on the internet or published on a public forum, it can never entirely be removed. The mother has caused the father severe and continuing emotional distress since the birth of their son, and continues to do so. What is most concerning is that the father has done nothing to instigate this behavior, and he has not communicated with the mother in 2 years. Father has sent numerous messages through Our Family Wizard, which go ignored by the mother. The mother's behavior is entirely against the child's best interests and will not stop on its own. The father requests the mother be enjoined from divulging any father's private and personal information to any third party in the future, and the mother will be ordered to submit to psychiatric evaluation in order to ensure the safety and best interests of the child. And then it goes on asking for attorney fees, and I don't really care about that. That's just pretty much legal. It's legal commonplace. So here's the case. You want to look it up? Go right ahead. Just want to say thank you to everyone. But my little boy has to come first. Not money, not anything. Even my love for all my subscribers who I've tried to help. Maybe things have gone wrong. Maybe things have gone great for some of you. That was beyond my control. So I'm going to take this opportunity to ask you to share this video with some of the YouTubers who've posted other videos about me. And let's see if they're honest or not. Let's see if they show it. Crypto Yardy, Noof, fucking plumber prick. Anyway, I leave YouTube for all of you to play your petty games. And I am going to attend to my child. Thank you for everything.